This week we're going to highlight weather conditions in Brazil where early soybean harvest is taking place. Then we're going to turn our attention to Argentina where we're approaching a critical time period for the crop as we move into February. We're going to wrap things up with a long-term review of November soybean futures. Hi, this is Brian Basting with Advanced Trading. Let's talk about the soybean market. We've moved into the last week of January here, and this soybean market is exceptionally volatile. Let's start out this week highlighting what's taking place in South America, specifically looking at Brazil. Let's take a look at where those soybeans are produced in Brazil. Now, north to south here, a number of key states. Mato Grosso in the north is the #1 producing soybean state in Brazil, and they're harvesting there now. Moving north to south, other key states include Mato Grosso do Sul, Minas Gerais, Paraná, and Rio Grande do Sul in the far south. Key thing to highlight now here is that USDA is forecasting a 10% increase in Brazilian production in 24-25. Let's now take a look at soybean crop progress in Brazil. You can see that the harvest is off to a bit of a slow start, only 1.2% done nationwide. Notice last year at this point, 4.7%. With harvest underway, there's a lot of attention on weather. Let's take a look at the short-term forecast. Our slides this week, as usual, are courtesy of T-Storm Weather. We're starting out here looking at a pattern. This is what I want to emphasize. Look at that orange box. It looks like there's a high-pressure system setting up in that northern Brazilian area, which should result in better harvest conditions, for Mato Grosso in particular. Let's take a closer look at that. Now, the next 7 days here, you can see not much rain forecast in that northern area, more so in the south. So it looks like there's going to be a window here to get that harvest really in gear. Let's now look at total precip over the next 14 days. You can see we've highlighted Mato Grosso there in the blue box, close to normal precip. So there is some rain moving back in the first part of February. So it may be stop and go over the next couple of weeks. Of course, also in South America, we're looking at Argentina. Let's take a look at where those Argentina soybeans are produced. We're looking here at 4 main provinces here in Argentina: Buenos Aires, Córdoba, Santa Fe, and Santiago del Estero. We're looking at about 85% of those soybeans are produced in those provinces. Now, the critical period for beans in Argentina is more so in February and even stretching into March for double crop beans. Let's take a look at the next 14 days. You can see across those key soybean areas, kind of a mixed bag, but a little bit dry. And this is what's caught the market's attention here moving into the last week of January, and we're seeing much firmer prices. Let's wrap things up this week looking at trends in November soybean futures. Now, November beans, as we tape here on Wednesday, have rallied. They bounced up to $10.55 a bushel. It's critical with the initial crop insurance period approaching here in February that you continue to work closely with your trusted risk management advisor to manage price movement and avoid price prediction. Now, if you'd like more information, please feel free to contact us at 800-664-2321. We'll put you in contact with one of our risk management consultants who'll be happy to visit with you at your convenience. And remember, we upload every Wednesday. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to never miss an upload. Thanks a lot. Have a good week.